See, and this one still has its first leaf, and it's still hanging. I think we still have a couple days. Good afternoon. It is Monday, August 2nd. The Novocaines wore off, so I think we need to check the garden. I've gotten a couple complaints that I've been picking my tomatoes just a little green. But if you remember 5 things to a successful tomato garden, pick them just a little green and let them ripen in the house. Honestly, I think they taste exactly the same. And there are a lot of things out here that like to eat them just as much as we do. But I'm going to go ahead and leave these for just a couple days. Just got to keep an eye on them. Even if you have to go to the dentist, you cannot let the garden go to... Everything in the garden has its own time. Take a look at these cucumbers. Another day, that would be a giant. So it's a good idea to check your garden every day, even if you have to go to the dentist. And I want to thank Kendi for taking care of me today. She's a subscriber, had no idea, but she took great care of me. The other day I was pretty excited about the cantaloupe. And if you can see here, what you really look for, and I was right, that first leaf is gone. But look how orange this is. And that stem is... I'm going to show you what this is actually supposed to look like. I kind of broke that other one when I pushed on it. But you see right there, it's starting to separate. You see it starting to just... See how nice, easy that just pulls away? That's what happens when they're hanging. See, and this one still has its first leaf, and it's still hanging. I think we still have a couple days. So let's go ahead and cut this one open. Well, we still are battling the squash bugs a little bit. But we got, this vine is rooting, but this vine, looks like the squash bugs have done its number. So let's go ahead and take this. That ought to ripen in the house. Sort of like the tomatoes. That'll do just fine. Now what is that? I've never seen that bug before. Well, come on, let's go see what that cantaloupe's going to taste like. How easy that cuts. Now that's what the cantaloupe's supposed to look like. How easy those seeds come out. Look how juicy that is. Look how much juice there is. Oh, and that smells so wonderful. Oh man. That's vine ripe. That's how soft they are. That is so sweet. It's well worth all the time and the effort. So that's how we check to see if cantaloupe are ripe. Till next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.